Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to talk about a very powerful topic. English made me a billionaire. Many people think that money comes only from luck, business, or rich family background. But the truth is, knowledge is the real wealth. And among all knowledge, English language is one of the greatest tools for success. English is not just a subject, English is a global language. It connects people, countries, businesses, and opportunities. Today, I will tell you how English can change a poor person into a successful and wealthy person. English is the language of the world. Every major company, every international deal, almost every important course or book is in English. Without it, you are limiting yourself to local opportunities. When I started learning English, I realized it was my ticket to global business. Suddenly, I could communicate with international clients, learn from global mentors, and reach markets I never imagined. Knowledge and information, most of the world's knowledge from books to online courses is in English. By knowing English, you gain access to all that knowledge, which gives you an advantage over millions of people. Confidence and influence. English doesn't just teach words, it teaches confidence. Being able to speak English opens doors, earns respect, and allows you to lead conversations in business or life. Communication with English. You can connect with people from all over the world. I started reaching out to international partners, and my business grew rapidly. Online opportunities. English gives you access to freelancing, remote work, YouTube, e commerce, and international clients. Set clear goals. Why do you want English? Is it business, travel, or personal growth? Knowing your goal keeps you focused. Practice daily. Even 10 to 20 minutes a day matters. More than 2 hours once a week. Listen, speak, and write a little every day. Speak without fear. Mistakes are part of learning. I made so many mistakes at first, but every mistake made me stronger. Use English in real life. Watch English videos. Read simple books. Speak with friends or online partners. Apply it daily. Be consistent. Consistency beats motivation. Make English a habit, and it will slowly but surely change your life. English didn't just give me money, it gave me confidence, opportunities, and freedom. I went from struggling to becoming a billionaire. Now I will tell you a short story. English made me who I am today. I grew up in a tiny village in Kenya. Life was simple but hard. My father worked as a driver. My mother sold vegetables in the local market. And I had three younger siblings to care for. Money was always short, and dreams were considered luxuries. But even as a child, I had a restless mind. I wanted more. I wanted to see the world beyond my village, to do something meaningful to change my life. One day, a friend told me, almost casually, "You know, if you learn English well, you can work anywhere in the world." I laughed at first. English? How could a language change my life? But the thought stayed in my mind. I began small. I borrowed old English books, listened to radio programs, and practiced speaking to anyone who would listen. I made endless mistakes. People laughed at my accent, my grammar, my mispronunciations. I was embarrassed, but I didn't stop. Every day, every new word felt like a break in a bridge I was building to the world outside my village. At 20, I discovered a work program in Canada. It promised jobs for people willing to work hard, but only if they could speak English. My heart leapt. I worked for months preparing for the interview, reading English newspapers, practicing conversations, writing essays. Finally, I got accepted. The day I received the visa, I cried. I was leaving my family, my home, my comfort zone, but I knew it was my only chance to change everything. Arriving in Toronto was overwhelming. The city was enormous. People moved quickly, and everything sounded fast and unfamiliar. I struggled at first. Slowly, I began to feel confident. Over the next few years, I worked hard, saved money, and studied online business courses in my free time. I started a small consultancy helping newcomers settle in Canada, offering advice, tours, and assistance with paperwork. At first, I struggled. I had no investors, no office, only my laptop and a borrowed phone. Slowly, clients started coming in. My business grew. Today, I run a successful international company. Looking back, I realized how important English was. It wasn't just a skill, it was a bridge, a tool, and a weapon against poverty. Without English, I would have remained invisible. With it, I was seen, heard, and trusted. I often tell people back home English is more than a language. It is your ticket to opportunity, your key to confidence, and the bridge to a better life. Learn it, use it, and don't let anyone tell you it's just words. It can change your life. If you found this video helpful, like it, share it with someone who needs this message, and subscribe for more life lessons. Thank you for listening.